Friends, welcome to second part of Best USP. Friends, this is a bitter truth of the market today, and also a very sad thing, that we give as much importance to product development and innovation, strategy development in our company, but we never give that much importance to our team development. We do not put our heart and effort into training our team in the right direction, improving their sales skills, their product knowledge. In many companies, there is no culture of regular meetings and regular training. They just fulfill the formalities and consume a allocated budget. We are not very serious about the overall development of our team. We are not working in that direction, and perhaps that is why, friends, our team does not have any proper system. They do not have any objective, any weight, and perhaps, friends, after hearing so much from me, you must be having this question in your mind. How can our team be our biggest USP? Why is team training and development so important? Therefore, friends, I will explain to you with some very practical examples why team training or team development is so important in our company, why it is needed, and how our team can prove to be the biggest USP for us in the market. So first of all, if I talk about the point, your team will help you to stay ahead of the competition. Friends, we all know how much competition there is in pharma marketing today. To meet a good doctor, 40 to 50 medical reps or pharma sales employees stand in line. And in such a situation, it becomes even more difficult and confusing for a doctor to remember and prescribe any product where all the company's products have the same composition. Their quality, their packaging, their MRP are almost the same, and at the same time, all the company's medical reps are giving the same detailing, the same communication to the doctors. Now the question arises, friends, how do doctors decide? How do they select which brand to prescribe in such a competition? For this, friends, a survey was conducted in which more than 60% of doctors admitted that when so many medical reps come to meet them in a day, and when all the company's products, all the company's quality, MRP, packaging, and everyone's detailing story are almost the same, then we never select the product or the company. We select the person for whom we want to write the product, and we decide this based on the person's regular visits, what new information the person is bringing to us, how consistent they are in meeting us, how product-centric and scientific they are in talking to us. And friends, this survey point is something that we pharma companies should understand as soon as possible. Where there is so much competition in the market, so many products, doctors always select between people, not between products. And your medical rep or your team will be able to talk to the doctor on a scientific background only when you work on their overall product knowledge. You give them effective communication. You teach them how to talk to the doctor on a scientific basis. Therefore, friends, it becomes very important for you to work on the overall development of the people in your team. And you will have to work a lot on their selling skills, their relationship-building skills. You will have to develop them, and this knowledge will come to them only when you teach them this knowledge. Because you must remember my words that in the future, pharmaceutical sales will be purely relationship-based. And you will definitely agree with me, friends, that this knowledge, these skills, no one can ever steal from you. No one can ever copy-paste from you. And friends, in ancient times, there was a verse in which I remember one line which said that knowledge is such a wealth that no one can ever steal from you. Therefore, friends, your team being skillful, your team being up-to-date knowledgeable, is your biggest USP in the market. And no competitor can copy-paste this USP. Friends, stay tuned for part 3.